For the small businesses, making profit is the main priority. The library will be closed for staff training tomorrow morning. All students are expected to participate in all class activities. City planners recognize citizens' needs of accessible public transport options. The history of economics is a tricky subject to study. The amount of time spent on configuration varies considerably. Scientific experiments should be repeated in verifying the results. Economic problems cause a big rise in unemployment. Archaeologists discovered tools and artifacts in ancient tombs. The course places considerable emphasis on critical thinking skills. The project is divided into 4 main sections. Many food crops require a large amount of water and fertilizer. Experts are now able to forecast weather over much longer periods. You do not need to have specialist knowledge to enjoy this book. The study of anthropology can help us to learn society today. Information technology has changed the way people study today. Students are required to have an undergraduate degree in biology to be enrolled in this course. Doctoral writings have a structure in place, as well as scientific papers. Conferences ought to be always scheduled 2 weeks in advance. Agenda items should be submitted by the end of the day. All dissertations must be accompanied with a submission form. The artists and conservative politicians follow their own rules in politics. The history of the university is a long and interesting one. Before completing the exercise, you need to read the remaining chapters. Recession triggers creativity and high rates of entrepreneurship due to past experience. Tutors should set a clear goal at the start of the class. Graduates from this course generally find jobs in the insurance industry. Academic development needs to be supported by governments. Most students need computers to do homework. Please confirm that you have received the textbook. A very basic feature of computing is counting and calculating. There are many different styles of business management. She began by giving an outline of the previous lecture. Find out how to get your resources before your research. The teaching staff are actively engaged in original research. The typical part of this course involves the study of society. Psychologists say what we have experienced influences our behaviors. Field trips are essential parts of most geography courses. The theme of the course is to encourage students to develop their creativity. Scientists have found all parts of science today. This book can be borrowed for a maximum of 1 week. All the educational reforms have been inadequately implemented. You need to hand in the essay next semester. The digital camera has some advantages over traditional film. Having strong motivation is vital for achieving your goal. Convincing evidence to support this theory is hard to obtain. Artists, other than politicians, play their own roles as critics of the culture. Philosophy uses logic and reason to analyze human experience. Technology is no longer a simple tool that we can control. Most university teaching takes place in lectures and seminars. Physics is a key subject for understanding the world and the universe. Effective presenters make eye contact with the audience. These words recognize the excellence of undergraduates' research projects. The ways in which people communicate are constantly changing. It is clear that the human population impacts the environment. We are phasing out the disposable cups on campus. Every student has both the right and the ability to succeed. Affordable housing is an important issue for all members of society. Practical experience is a vital part of legal training. The opening hours of the library are reduced during summer. The site is designed to be highly interactive. Biology involves the study of life of all levels. Radio is a popular form of entertainment throughout the world. The aerial photographs were promptly registered for thorough evaluation. Advanced technology will create growth in the economy.